The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Hey guys, what's up? This is Shraddha and welcome back to my new vlog today. Hope you are doing well, and now I am going to see the Brookside Gardens with my mentor, my colleague and my friend Hang Trin. So let's go. So stay tuned with me. So I'm in Brookside Garden and it's a very beautiful place. You know, with the shimmering ponds, breathtaking landscapes and colorful plantings, Brookside Gardens are considered as the jewels of Maryland. This is founded in 1969 and named after the winding brooks and streams that surrounded this amazing beautiful place. The tranquil walking trails, shady gazebos, color and texture all together, delighting my senses and offering me an absolute peace in the midst of all the chaos. Hang gave me a treat of Vietnamese food recipe, shrimp bowl with fish sauce, salad and rice. And it was really awesome. Under the open sky we had a lunch and the weather was really amazing. So it was a very nice day out when we were walking in the lab, but suddenly we made a plan and then we went outside to see Brookside Garden. See what a beautiful outside, and so many people are coming here to enjoy the, you know, the fresh new summer. Nature's beauty is untold and indefinite. From the new bloom of spring to the exquisite color of fall, followed by winter's magic and summer's energy. To me, always a lush green carpet of spongy grass is more welcoming than the luxurious rug. On the other side of this place there is beautiful garden, and as you can see that lot of flowers started already blooming, but in June July probably it will be more. I may come over for the tulip gardens and all if I get time, but yeah, this is very beautiful place, you can see. So this is it for today, and hope to see you in a new vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, and lots of love.